Yeah, if you talk about the heat wave conditions specifically of North India, so we have not experienced any significant weather in April, or you can say first week of May, due to continuous influence of the western disturbance over northwest India, which cause even rainfall activity over high reaches and cloudy rainfall over plains also. As a result, temperature did not rise much, and temperature was near normal or below normal over the most part of the northwest India. Now, as you told, now temperatures are rising because there is no western disturbance is going to influence plains of northwest India during next 1 week. However, if you see that this satellite picture at present, one cloud is coming over this region, and it will only influence western Himalaya region, cause light to moderate rainfall over the high reaches, but will not influence plains of northwest India. As a result, temperatures keep on increasing over the northwest India and adjoining central India. So as per our heat wave predictions, we are expecting heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, we can say next 5 days. And specifically, if you talk about the Rajasthan, temperature may touch 47 degrees Celsius also tomorrow, and other parts, generally May is the most warmer month, and generally many places we experience 45-degree temperatures also, and we are also expecting 45 now over some part of Punjab, Haryana, even South Uttar Pradesh also. Thereafter, we are expecting after 2 days heat wave may extend over the northern part of Madhya Pradesh. We can experience heat wave there also, and we will experience heat wave conditions for next 4 days. And if you talk about the East India heat wave, we will experience after 48 hours and will continue for next 2-3 days.
Sir, when we can expect the relief from this heat wave?
If you talk about next 5-6 days, I don't feel we will get any relief. Temperature will be above normals, and heat wave condition will continue the most part of northwest India during next 5-6 days.
Sir, what are the weather conditions?
That if you see presently rainfall activity is occurring over the South India, you can see from the satellite pictures also, there is a big cloud patch you can see over the South Peninsular India. Basically, there is a cyclonic circulation over South Tamil Nadu and another over North Tamil Nadu, which is likely to cause heavy to very heavy falls. Heavy fall mean if it is more than 6.5 centimeter, very heavy mean it's more than 12 centimeter, that we will keep on experiencing specifically over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South Interior Karnataka for next 5 days. And if you talk about next day 4 and day 5, we may experience extremely heavy rainfall also over Kerala due to the favorable synoptic conditions.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।